Okay, a little bit of an impromptu video, but I just got an amazing deal on eBay, and I had to share this with y'all. So this is not actually a Asus TUF X570. This is actually something a little bit more interesting. So let's go ahead and open this thing up. All right, so this folds out here. This is actually interesting. So we got the I/O shield here for this motherboard, and then this is actually kind of a cool design. So you flip up this cardboard strap, and then you can pull it out when it doesn't get stuck. You pull it out, and it kind of lifts the motherboard out of here. All right, so let's get this out here. This sucks because I got to do it with one hand because I left my tripod at home. All right, so here we go. Just a second. Let me get it out of the box and set on the table. All right, check this thing out. This is the Asrock Extreme6 motherboard. This is an X79 board. I got this for a really good price on eBay. I paid just under $100 for this thing, and that's actually kind of incredible. So a lot of I have a chip on the way, a processor that I'm going to be using in this board for a build, and I'll actually be making a video of that. So get subscribed so you can see it. But when people talk about the X79 and X99 platforms, a lot of times you'll see on YouTube people are trying out these motherboards from like Chinese companies, and they're like recycled with old chipsets and anything. This is a legitimate motherboard from, I think this was 2011. So it's really cool. Let's kind of go over some of these cool features. So you have the chipset here, and it actually has a fan on the chipset. I have not seen that on a motherboard before. And then we have on the side here, we got some SATA ports. I'm not sure exactly what speeds those are, but you can have a bunch of drives connected here. We have the 7-segment error code that is, I think they still put that on motherboards, but it was really popular a few years ago. You got onboard power if you have this thing hooked into a test bench. You got reset. I believe that I think that's just a power reset. What's really I like about this motherboard is you got quad channel memory support. You got 8 memory slots. So I actually have some DDR3 DIMMs. So we're actually going to be filling up every single one of these 8 slots, and we're going to be doing 32 gigs of memory. So that's pretty awesome. You got your PCI Express 16X, couple of those, just normal PCI slots. You got a 1X slot there. This Molex connection right here, I'm actually not sure what that's for. I'll have to go online and find a manual or something. So I'm not sure what that's for, but I'll have to read up on that. What's really cool is this was not meant for Xeons. I think this was meant for like those Intel, the Extreme Edition, like the 4960X or the 3960X. So like this like VRM solution around here with like, this is some thick metal with the fins on it. I think that's actually intended for like cooling, because like you could overclock a lot with this board, and it looks really good. A little bit of dust, but nothing too bad. And then let's go around to the side here. Let's kind of see what we're working with on the side here. All right, so we got, wow, we got our headphone, microphone, all those holes. We have, I believe that's gigabit Ethernet. I'm not sure what that is. USB, I believe these are 3.0s. We got FireWire, eSATA, external SATA, and 2.0, 3.0. I'm not sure what that is. I'm not sure what this is. This is clear the CMOS. I think this is for resetting your BIOS if you like brick the motherboard. And then you got your normal PS2 connections. A little interesting sticker here. It says it's made for NVIDIA SLI before they killed that off. So yeah. On the other side here, you got your USB 3.0, another SATA port, 24-pin power. Honestly, this I'm just kind of amazed at all the features this thing has. It's really, really cool. So yeah, I'm really stoked. I had to make a video. I was so excited that I got this for such a good price, because I wanted to work with the X79 platform to make a project coming up. I don't want to say too much because it's going to be exciting, but yeah, I'm glad that I was able to get this in, and I wanted to just kind of unbox it and go over it. So yeah, thanks for watching. Thank you for watching my unboxing and overview of the Asrock Extreme6 motherboard, and we'll see you next time.